Namaste, welcome friends to the food trivia by Anuradha, and I hope that you all guys are really doing fine. And the extent to which we have discussed raw turmeric so far, I really hope that you have started using and including it in your weekly diet plan. So, did you remember the last video? Have you watched it? If you have not watched it, I will really recommend you to watch that video because our today's video is linked to that video and it's a very interesting video. Today's trivia is really interesting and you would come to know about a certain aspect of raw turmeric which you would think that you would not have imagined in fact, and it's a topic which would be very interesting. We would pursue more and more topics on this or the foods basically on the similar topic, so that you would come to know that how could we can really increase the effectiveness, productivity, efficiency of whom? Yes, that is what we are going to know in today's video. So stay tuned, and if you have not watched the previous video, I will really recommend you to watch that video to make a better link of what we are talking today. So come on, let's move on to the today's topic or the today's healthy aspect of raw turmeric. Stay tuned and watch till the end. So we are going on and on with the very cherished cousin of ginger. What is this very cherished cousin of ginger? This very cherished cousin of ginger is raw turmeric. Yes, ginger and raw turmeric is such a great companionship during the winter season because both are antibiotic, antiseptic, and they have the immense role in combating cough, cold and flu. Yes, we had spoken about raw turmeric's role in combating seasonal flus and related stuff in one of the videos. So again, if you have missed that, it would be interesting for you to watch that video as well. So in that video, we had also discussed how the seasonal flu, cough and colds are so common for the kids. Like they get that lower respiratory tract infection. It's so common for them and they fall sick so many times, and it really affects their school performance or college performance, attendance, academic performance, everything. And also the whole house gets disturbed when you have a small child who is sick. He or she becomes basically cranky and become restless, and they couldn't eat properly, they couldn't sleep properly. So it's better to always include such kind of foods or such kind of a lifestyle which would really strengthen the immunity of small children and help them to combat or prevent the occurrence of such kind of a seasonal infections. And that's where we have discussed raw haldi's role. Now, how if I would tell you that same raw haldi which you are using for yourself, your kids or elders or anyone else is great for something else which is related to the small kids? Yes. Are you surprised? Yes. Raw haldi has one more role in the kids' overall life cycle which you might not have thought about it. Can you guess about it? In last videos, we have talked like how raw turmeric has BDNF, okay, which is a neurotropic factor which prevents or delays the brain degeneration, and that's why we had actually discussed how 2-3 decades back, when there was much prevalence of using raw turmeric, seasonal raw turmeric in food, there were very less occurrences of the mental health conditions like depressions or Alzheimer disease, which are basically kind of a brain degeneration or neuron degeneration. So, continuing on the same topic, I am today going to discuss how raw turmeric would play a great role in kids' life. You know, the kids, a major portion of its life is related to academics, is related to learning, is related to memory retention as well, because that's how the academics are right now. Also the understanding. So basically the learning phase of the kids when they are growing up is all about retaining, memorizing, understanding the concepts and everything. That means a lot of brain growth, development, and the communication basically is going on. What communication is going on? Like logical thinking, reasoning, all these things are going on. A lot of brain functions are basically growing on when the kid is growing up. Kid is not only understanding whatever being taught to him or her in the books, but he is also trying to understand the whole lot other things which is going on around him or her, like the social interactions, the way one needs to present himself or herself, the way one needs to communicate with each other. So basically the social learning, the cognitive development, the physical development, the mental development, the emotional development, and even the spiritual development is going on during this growing period of the kid. And raw haldi, since we had already discussed, has one compound of BDNF which basically regulates the health of nerve cells, brain cells. And what does it do? It basically regulates the communication between the two nerve cells, between two brain cells. Whatever communication is happening, it smoothens and regulates that communication. If I simplify it without all that scientific mumbo jumbo, it just means that it helps in better memory retention, it helps in better learning. So, are you getting what I am trying to say? That raw turmeric or kachi haldi is great for your kid, not only because it prevents the respiratory tract infections, it prevents the occurrence of seasonal flu or combats that, but also because it helps him or her to become a better student, to perform better in academics. And no wonder that Ayurveda has given such a great importance to raw turmeric in the student's life. Like they really have all these kinds of food which they really recommend, a sattvic kind of food which they really recommend for the kids when they used to learn in the gurukuls and everything. So I had already shared a few recipes in my one of the previous videos about respiratory tract infection, like how you can make use of that recipe for combating dry cough or for children. But in coming videos, one of the videos, I am also going to discuss the recipes that how could you use this raw turmeric in your meals basically, and it's other than the pickles which you, or the chutneys or the sabjis which you usually find on the YouTube. Of course, they are very easily available, and of course, those are also the very good ways of including raw turmeric in your meal. Apart from that, I would also give you some of the recipes, simple and easy recipes, that how to really use raw turmeric in your normal regular daily routine. So, it is very important that in one way or other you try to include raw turmeric in your kids' meal, so that it really helps them to become a better learner, a better student, and of course, it would reflect in every aspect of his or her life, because as I have told you that kids are not only learning the bookish things, they are also learning a lot from life, from the relationships they have around themselves, around them, and they are also learning from all their social circle and what they are seeing, what they are observing, what they are perceiving. So I really hope that you might have found this trivia very interesting, and if you have any similar kind of a doubt or a comment or a question, or if you really need a video on it, like the food which are really helpful for the kids, specifically during their exam time. I would also like to come up with that video, but comment in the section if you really want to have that specific video sooner than later, of course. So 10 board exams are also going on, I think, of some of the boards. So like, you know, really including this raw turmeric in those students that as well would be really beneficial, because the winters are at their peak. So it's very necessary that kids should be healthy and robust while they are giving their exams. If they learn everything, they know everything, but if they are not physically fit, then their academic performance during the exams is also going to dip down. So this is all for today, and I really hope that you have liked the step. It's a little different, and thank you so much for watching it. I had promised you in the previous video that next video is going to be very interesting. So I hopefully you have find this video interesting. If you like it, please press the like button. Please share this video so that more and more parents, and or if you yourself a student, would come to know about this wonderful food and they start including it in their diet. And yeah, just comment on it. Like I have said, that I will look forward to your comments if you have a specific kind of a request for a specific kind of food or a diet related query. And subscribe to the channel, be a family, and press the bell notifications so that you would come to know whenever new video is coming. So that's it for today, folks. Keep dreaming, keep happy, keep healthy, because health is the greatest wealth. You can't enjoy anything if you are not healthy or feeling fit or feeling happy. So that's it for today. See you in the upcoming video. Bye bye.